Hi, I'm Keri from Lotus Evolutions Wellness. One of the core philosophies behind our work is that beauty begins in the nervous system. We often hear, but what does that actually mean? Well, when the nervous system is under constant stress, whether from emotional distress, environmental stressors, lack of sleep, or simply the pace of modern life, the body shifts into survival mode. And in that state, stress hormones like cortisol stay elevated. Over time, cortisol begins to break down collagen, slow lymphatic flow, disrupt digestive processes, and even alter hormonal balance. The body also changes structurally. Posture collapses forward. Breathing becomes shallow and tension accumulates in the face, neck, and jaw. These patterns eventually show up as skin aging patterns: dullness, puffiness, lines, wrinkles, and overall accelerated aging signs. This is why true rejuvenation cannot come from topical treatments alone. And topical treatments will work better when you layer in these principles. At Lotus Evolutions, our approach focuses on calming the nervous system, retraining and releasing stress and muscle patterns, restoring circulation and lymphatic flow, improving breathing patterns, and supporting the body's natural ability to repair itself. And when the nervous system returns to balance and the body shifts from survival mode into repair and rejuvenation mode, this is when you see the results. And that's where real, sustainable beauty begins. Are you ready to get started on a new approach to beauty and aging? We invite you to check out our signature wellness programs, the Quantum Beauty Reset and the M-Sculpt Strength and Recovery Program. We look forward to hearing from you soon.